In the heart of innovation, perfection is redefined. Experience the ultimate fusion of technology and taste. This is SNCR. At SNCR, color is our first law of quality. We only harvest when the pods reach a vibrant gold or a radiant reddish orange. These vibrant hues, especially the pale yellow groove.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Safe journey.
Good morning. Heading to the market. Watch out.
To ensure absolute purity, we process every harvest within 48 hours, preventing germination and locking in perfection. Our premium pods travel along the conveyor.
Each raw cocoa pod is sorted uniformly, ensuring strict cleanroom sanitation standards right from the source. The conveyor belt runs into the washing tub.
Our premium pods travel along the conveyor for a thorough purification. Specialized
We ensure zero contact between blade and bean, retaining the optimal amount of pulp to drive a flawless fermentation.
fresh cocoa beans are poured into wooden bins to trigger fermentation prior to the filtration and drying stages.
Once fermentation is complete, the cocoa beans are transferred to a high-tech solar system for absolute drying.
Dried beans are automatically bagged and synced with smart QR codes, ready for warehousing and traceability. The transport fleet departs from the Eco-plantation, launching our premium raw material supply chain.
After drying, the cacao beans are stored for several months to rest. This period allows natural reactions to occur, making the flavor profile more uniform. This storage develops deeper flavors, creating the perfect foundation for the roasting process. The dried beans are now moved to the thermal precision chamber. This step ensures every bean achieves a uniform moisture level of 4 to 5%. It is the vital foundation before the final transformation, the roast. We now enter the heart of the transformation, the roasting process. Driven by advanced AI monitoring, every temperature curve is precisely adjusted to unlock the bean's hidden soul. As the Maillard reaction begins, complex chocolate notes emerge, defining the unmistakable SNCR signature. Intense heat expands the bean to its limit, cracking the husk. Immediate cooling then triggers a thermal shock, causing the shell to peel away naturally. A high-velocity airstream blows away the light husks, leaving only pure, clean nibs, ready for the next stage of production. After the thermal shock, the shells are naturally separated. A powerful airflow purifies the nibs, leaving only the rich, golden essence of SNCR chocolate. Following the purification, the clean beans are instantly transitioned into a closed-loop system, maintaining peak sterility for the next stage. Under intense pressure and AI-guided precision, the solid nibs transform into a velvet-smooth cacao liquor, the liquid gold of SNCR. We refine this essence further, creating a consistent, ultra-fine powder that serves as the foundation for our world-class chocolate creations. The fusion of flavors begins here, as pure cacao meets our signature ingredients to create a rich, uniform blend. With ultimate versatility, our advanced technology redefines the art of chocolate. Crafting everything from perfect spheres to classic bars, flawlessly infused with crunchy roasted peanuts, premium almonds, and rich fillings. We begin with the finest hand-picked peanuts, air-roasted to golden perfection to lock in their natural, intense crunch.
The secret to our distinctive flavor. Premium peanuts are precision roasted, tumbling until they achieve the perfect golden hue and irresistible crunch. The ultimate collision of textures. Warm, golden caramel cascades over our fresh roasted peanuts, fusing them into the rich, irresistible core of SNCR. The perfect foundation of taste. Crispy caramelized peanuts cascade onto a soft, delicate bed of creamy nougat, balancing crunch and smoothness in every layer. Experience the birth of our signature core. Our strawberry pink nougat is whipped to airy perfection, infused with real berry essence.
It flows seamlessly through our precision extruders, creating a vibrant, velvet-soft foundation that defines the unique SNCR character.
Continuous ribbons of strawberry pink nougat are extruded in perfect sync, ensuring absolute consistency for every product.
Fluid dynamics are applied to inject strawberry essence directly into the core. This process allows the flavor to permeate deeply into the aerated nougat structure.
At this stage, the transformation begins. Pure white nugget ribbons are infused with concentrated strawberry essence through high The result is a striking multi-layered architecture. The aerated strawberry pink foundation provides not only aesthetic value, but also a
The strawberry caramel core structure undergoes scanning, ensuring the exact proportion of ingredients.
The multi-tier extrusion system operates in sync, preparing flavored ribbons for large-scale unification. An air knife sculpts signature ripples, creating a luxury hallmark for every masterpiece. These signature ripples are the distinct hallmark of a premium line, affirming quality in a world of automation. The crystallization tunnel uses rapid cooling to lock in the chocolate's structure, creating a flawless, glossy finish. The final armor is secured as robots box the bars, ready for their global journey. The automated system flawlessly synchronizes the signature camouflage wrap, sealing every premium milk chocolate bar. The final armor is secured as robots box the bars, ready for their global journey. Every premium Snickar gift box is carefully curated, showcasing rows of exquisite golden-wrapped truffles manufactured to luxury standards.
Beyond traditional bars, welcome to the advanced automated creation of our signature luxury chocolate truffles.
That the sensory intake is. In the world of premium confectionery, the silent production flow philosophy dictates that quality is not just checked at the end, it is engineered into the beginning. Here, thousands of kilograms of California, almonds and premium peanuts arrive, but only the elite survive the first gate. We see the automated sorting machines, spectrum of light, identifying even the slightest discoloration or structural imperfection. A puff of pressurized air, faster than, utilizing high-speed chromatic sensors that scan each individual nut in milliseconds. These sensors are tuned to a specific. A human blink ejects any nut that doesn't meet the Snickar standard. It is a ruthless, beautiful process.
The AI system deploys a smart laser grid, precisely sorting every single premium-grade almond.
Transformation, a deep, earthy aroma that signals the caramelization of natural oils. The nuts are then moved through a
Rapid cooling fluidized bed, preventing carryover cooking and locking in the crunch that defines the Snickar experience. Is unfolding in the cocoa refining sector. We are looking at massive, a grueling 48-hour marathon. These machines use heavy granite rollers and intense friction to break down cocoa particles to
a size of less than 20 microns. At this level, the human tongue cannot detect individual grains, resulting in
a liquid that feels like velvet. This is the science of rheology in action, controlling the flow and viscosity
of the chocolate to ensure it can perfectly coat the ingredients later in the line. The tempering units are
the brains of this operation, carefully cycling the liquid chocolate through precise heating and cooling phases to stabilize form V. Crystals. This is what gives the Snickar its characteristic snap and that glossy, cinematic sheen. Now, let's look at the advanced interface scans the finished bars, ensuring a flawless nut structure on every chocolate piece.
Every gold-wrapped diamond chocolate masterpiece is strictly inspected,
sealing in its premium, rich flavor. The gold foil layer is automatically controlled, preparing to envelop each chocolate piece in pure luxury. Core temperatures are strictly monitored via futuristic HUD screens, ensuring perfect crystallization for every batch. The pressurized bubbling system guarantees absolute sanitation, deep cleaning every next-gen chocolate mold.
The deep cryogenic cooling instantly crystallizes, securing the perfect structure for every diamond chocolate piece.
The entire production line is automatically powered, operating on a 100% clean hydrogen energy system.
The molecular structure crystallizes under deep cooling, shaping the diamond chocolate with perfect structural durability.
The CNC laser head executes high-precision engraving, sealing the signature brand mark onto the premium gold gift box.
Transcending all boundaries, the luxury golden chest encapsulates elite value, asserting ultimate status. Advanced lasers engrave the signature brand logo, sealing luxury chocolate crates for worldwide distribution. The luxury chocolate truffle gift box is exquisitely finished, ready to deliver its premium flavor worldwide.
Outstanding.
The bulk chocolate blocks are encased in thermal gold foil, perfectly prepared for strict storage protocols.
Autonomous AGV systems manage the smart warehouse, ready to distribute premium chocolate batches worldwide.
The delivery fleet officially exits the smart factory, dispatching premium chocolate batches to global consumers. From automated clean rooms to simple everyday joy, we deliver the taste of happiness everywhere.
You have to
Oh,
try
this looks perfect. Yes, ma'am. Let me get those for you. And this one too. Thank you. Oh, that's it. Perfect crunch, so much caramel and nuts. Absolutely incredible. Wow. Oh, this looks so good. Do you think we should get the Snickar one? Definitely, that's the best. Go ahead and grab it.